All right, so in this video, I'm gonna show you how you guys can get leads. I'm gonna break it down in 3 simple steps. And keep in mind, guys, it's currently 12:38 a.m., right? So if the light is not good, I'm sorry, but this is what we're gonna do, all right? I told myself that I'm going to make a video every single day and post every single day regardless. So I'm holding myself to it. So first things first, let's say you have a web agency. Let's say you have, any type of product or service that you're offering. There's obviously multiple ways to go about it, but in my opinion, I believe this method that I'm about to show you is the easiest, quickest, and you don't have to worry about paying for leads. You don't have to worry about any of that. It's just super simple. So let's get into it. So first things first, you're going to want to go to Google and you're going to type in a social media platform, right? So you want to choose Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, YouTube, whatever it may be, right? I would prefer to use Instagram because personally with Instagram, obviously it's a little bit more personal, and the value as far as like the type of people that are on Instagram, they're just a lot more business orientated. They're more valued, I guess you could say. The conversion rate would be higher. The more quality leads, I guess you would say. So first things first, right? So we're gonna do Instagram, right? We're gonna type in Instagram. Then from there, we're going to put parentheses, and then we are going to type in the niche, right? So for the niche, let's say you are selling websites, right? So we're gonna use websites. You're selling websites, and you want to reach out to health and wellness, right? So what we're gonna do is type in health and wellness, parentheses, right? Health and wellness, and then after that, you're going to type in, what is it? What are you going to fucking type in? Health and wellness. Oh, boom, remembered. You're going to type in the location, right? So we got the social media platform. We have health and wellness, that is the niche. And then we also have the location of where you want to target these leads or where you want to gather these leads, right? So for me, I'm going to put, let's put New York, right? So we're going to put New York, boom. And then we're going to press enter, right? So you'll see there's about a good 10 to 15 Instagram pages, right? Multiple Instagram pages are obviously going to populate, right? You can see there's over 10 pages with Instagrams, right? So what you want to do is click Command+A, right? Copy it, head over to ChatGPT, boom. And you need to type in organize my leads and format it for CSV. Gather the data, access information from the Instagram pages. I'm going to provide you 100 leads, right? Boom. All right, so you send that, wait for your response. So you can see, right, ChatGPT is going to organize it for you. You're going to put it into a CSV. Number 1, Instagram handle. 2, name. 3, bio. 4, follower count. 5, following count. 6, post count. 7, public email. 8, phone number. 9, location. 10, website. And then obviously 11 is category, right? So really the most important categories for this is really Instagram handle, name, bio, and then as well to the, obviously if the phone number and the public email are on there, that's very important. And then the location, right? And then website, obviously. So you don't really have to worry about like the follower count or following count. But I would look and see if they're active. I would check and see, okay, cool. If they're active, then they're more likely, going to respond. So back to here, right? So we copied it. We did Command+A, boom, copy, then click paste, right? And go in. And you're going to delete this ending section. And then you're going to head to the top and delete the beginning section and press enter, right? As that's loading and gathering you guys the leads, you're going to go to page 2, go down to the bottom, Command+A, copy, head back to ChatGPT. Boom, right? So it's already categorizing it for you. Again, you don't have to do a single thing. This whole entire process is automated and super simple to do. You can do this for any niche. Guys, again, these are free leads that you don't have to pay for. And most of the time they are pretty quality. Again, all you're doing is reaching out to these people, right? You just got to reach out to them, offer them your product, offer them, your service, whatever it may be that that you're selling, right? And so we're gonna go ahead and click paste, boom, delete the bottom, delete the top, enter. Dope. So again, right? These are simple ways to go about getting leads. You don't have to overcomplicate it. Keep it super simple, right? You have the social media handle, you have the niche, and you have the location. Input those three. You can change it however you want to change it. And then again, the leads are going to pop up. You just go ahead and click Command+A, take it over to ChatGPT, give it to ChatGPT, and essentially the work is done, right? So try not to overcomplicate things, and that's how you get leads. And I'm out. Like I said, I'm posting daily videos, so we're here. We're doing it. It's 12:45, and you guys just figured out how you guys can gather more leads for your business in about 7 minutes.